Comment ça va, mon ami? Merci beaucoup, Shreveport-Bossier. Me and mon petit certainly enjoyed making this king cake kit. We're a long way from the bayou, but it was a lot of fun. Je t'aime beaucoup, la Louisiane, and laissez les bon temps rouler.
With Arrowhead, and I am about to add the water and the butter and the egg to my cake mix. Alright, I'm putting my mixture, my dough, in a bowl to rise.
Well, hey everybody, it's Fiona, and I'm so excited to be a part of the Shreveport-Bossier reveal for Mardi Gras. Thanks Tracy Heron and everybody at the Tourist Bureau for asking me to be a part of this. As you can tell, we're getting our Mardi Gras mambo on. Wishing everybody a great Mardi Gras season. Happy Mardi Gras. Talk to you soon from Fiona.
Welcome back to OG Schreiner's king cake making. And at the moment, we're just rolling this out into a big rectangle. Roll the dough.
All right, so we're back again. Now we're gonna roll the king cake and make it its special shape.
Can I please help?
Can you grab that side right there? And let's just roll together, okay? Gently roll. Gently. There we go.
Eat it.
Olivia's excited about all the extra stuff on the table.
It's good.
I'm gonna create an oval. We're gonna put our king cake on our cookie sheet. Work it out.
Oh, I'm working out.
So this has been about a couple-hour process, so we're into the bourbon now.
More like a day.
Yeah, about a day, according to Olivia. So bourbon it up. Cheers.
It's looking good so far. We got frosting all over it.
Use another color. Yellows. So I think we're good. So thank you everybody for following along, and this has been a fun, super fun experience, and hopefully we get to share it with everybody in a couple of days.
Hi, my name is Lane Garner. I'm the Vice President of Membership and Education for Louisiana Travels Association. I want to thank Shreveport-Bossier CTB for sending me a king cake. Let's just say that in my so many years experience, I've never made a king cake, and that was an interesting experience. Like a cinnamon roll, but a little bit different. And the icing is great, and with all the purple, green, and gold colors. I remember going to Mardi Gras since I was 2 or 3 years old, and I lived in New Orleans, and my parents would bring me down there, and we would experience our carnival on Mardi Gras Day off of St. Charles Avenue, and it was an incredible experience. But probably the biggest thing I remember is all of my family was there. My mom's side of the family, my dad's side of the family, cousins, uncles, we all came down there for a great just family experience. And we had king cake, we had Popeye's fried chicken, and it was just really cool. So I'm very appreciative and very humbled to be selected to receive a king cake. My family will enjoy it. I have to thank my son, Jonathan Garner. He did the gorgeous icing decorations. He had way more patience than anybody else. But I want to wish everybody a Mardi Gras, and we look forward to having everybody back in 2022. Thank you.